Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a professional contact form in Canva, step by step. Whether it's for personal use, your business, or a bigger project, Canva makes it fast, easy, and visually stunning. By the end of this video, you'll have a contact form ready to share or embed anywhere. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a free online design tool packed with features that make creating anything from flyers to forms simple and fun. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar and type Contact Form. Canva will show you a variety of pre-designed templates. Take a moment to browse through them. You'll find different styles, colors, and layouts, so pick one that matches your brand, project, or personal style. Found a template you like? Click on it, then select Customize to open it in Canva's design editor. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust text, fonts, colors, and layout easily. Next, edit the key information, add your email, phone number, website, or any other details you want people to use to reach you. Just double-click on the text boxes to make changes and use Canva's text tools to tweak fonts, sizes, or colors so everything looks perfect. Before finishing, take a moment to review your form. Check that all contact details are correct and make any final design tweaks. Canva makes it easy to ensure everything looks polished. And that's it. Your contact form is ready to download, share, or embed. Whether it's for email, your website, or printing, you now have a sleek, professional form that's fully customizable. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy Canva guides. Happy designing!